Okay, now I started. I said, Happy 3 days weekend. And I want to wish you all have fun with your family and your children. I don't have my computer, it's broke right now. And I'm just walking around my house to wish you a happy holiday, 3 days weekend. And as you can see, I'm in my room, my office, me and my husband we shared. Computer's broke. My computer, it's gone. Look, it's gone. It's gone. All this is an old computer that I've been using many years ago. My first laptop computer. And this is me, the old lady journalist, your best friend, old I am. Okay. Happy 3 days weekend. Biko, I'm sorry about the Viper. Let's keep using it, it's nice, right? Hey guys, you guys have a smartphone? Go for the Viper, it's nice. You can talk, well, it's just regular thing on the phone, but I like it. Send text messages quickly and send some pictures. Whatever, it's the same thing. It's just name, Viper. It's classy. Anyway, this is me. I'm still in my pajama, but I'm not trying to show up because, you know me, I'm just a crazy old lady. Like, I love all my Facebook friends, especially my IMF friend, best friend from all over Europe. Hi, Erwin. He's the king of everybody loves. Erwin is a sweet guy, right, Erwin? From Norway. And his wife, Anna Marie. Hi, Anna Marie. And Maria Morelli. She's a nice lady. I love you, Maria Morelli. You're nice. And Marley Barreto. And especially Rosa Ferrari. And Sadakas, Maria Parada. And Annabella, her sister. And my family, even they don't say hello to me on Facebook, I still love you guys. I never forget you. My blood relatives. I love you guys from the Philippines. Dito, holiday. So, I'm gonna speak Tagalog, okay? And dito, it's for my family in the Philippines. Hi, mga bata kayo. Huwag kayo maglalandi ng mga malalaki, mga kaasawa kagad kasi hindi kayo makapunta ng Amerika. Kung gusto niyo makapunta ng Amerika, ay naka, huwag kayo maglalandi-landi dyan ng mga lalaki. Mag-aral muna kayo, mag-college kayo para makarating kayo dito. Okay? Okay. Lahat kayo mga Pilipino, ka-Pilipino ko, ka-ganson ko, hindi ko kayo kilala, pero at least, nalaman ko na marami palang ganson. Dami pala natin. Hindi ko alam. Bisaya. Kami, tubo kami ng Kapampangan. Anyway, okay. I was speaking to somebody, they're all from the same last name I do. So, everybody in America, have a nice weekend, and I am going to have a nice weekend. As you can see, I'm ready to go to the beach for the weekend, and then barbecue, whatever. After beach, I go to my son, have barbecue. Have a happy weekend, JC. Chin, Mr. Chin, you drink beer for me, okay? Because, honey, I don't drink. I don't drink. I do anything else, but I will not drink. I won't drink a beer, so I am not doing eyewitness news. I just love to speak for myself instead of write or blog, because I'm blogging all over the place on Gmail +1. Okay, so you guys have a happy 3 days weekend. Middle Eastern friend, hello, my Herba Turkey friend, Cecile, and Ahmet, nice guy, very sweet. I find him everywhere, Twitter. Oh God, Ahmet, you are really fantastic man from Germany. Guten Abend, okay? And Guten Tag, Tina from Germany. I love you, baby. Even though we're just virtual friends, it's not just, we made friends a long time. We are in here for so long, and internet, and we follow each other like a little kid, sharing music, black music, white music, whatever music. Music is international, it's the one that I love most is music. I love heavy metal music. Even as old as I am, I'm still tripping. Look at this, look at this. I'm tripping out. Okie dokie. Johnny Chin. I'm nuts. I'm your older sister, okay? Hey, whatever happened to Caroline? I haven't heard from Caroline. She said she moved to Florida, but I don't see her. Do you know what happened to her? I got her phone number. I might call her, right? Yeah, maybe I will. Okay, Johnny, and whatever. Everybody. Bibian, Rosa, Sanakas, Marley, Mylene from Venezuela, Carlos Ostadillo from Venezuela. I thought California. Maybe he's from California. Are you from California, Carlos? I don't know. Tell me a long time ago, California. I call you and then it's Venezuela. But that's okay, baby. You're a friend. You're my best friend. I don't care where we all come from. We're just good as each other on our side. And to me, that's a lot of love to give, to make comments and tag everybody. That means a lot to me because I really don't have a best friend in real life. I just stay with my family, my 2 boys, my son, my husband, and I become a loner as I got older. But I love my friend on internet. Only the one really loves me. But the men are nasty. I get rid of them because most of them are so nasty. Even though you're old, they still want to play hard to, I'll mention to you. Someday I'll make a real nice video on YouTube. Can you please, I'm going to tag you so you can watch me, okay? Every one of you. Salam from Egypt, but live in France. I love you. You're sweet. You just knew in IMM and we closed down and you followed us on my space. And Hillary, I don't know where you're from, honey, but mahal kita. Kasi palagi ka lang nagka-comment sa akin. Saka Fernan, I don't know where you're from. So you said Baguio City. This guy named Fernan and Hillary, you all know Hillary. Her boyfriend is Fernan, and he's come from it's almost near home, my home, sweet home when I was younger. But I don't have no home that I call in the Philippines. I still got one sister left there, and some more family that I don't know. Only one relative sister I got is my sister. She's still there, living in poverty. It's bad. It's hard life. So, who lives good? I'm not a millionaire. Whatever you see over here, this is my husband. Jump. Oh, jump. As long as I'm alive, I'll be here. And I'll be commenting all your tag that you send me. I love you all. This is it, okay? I'll post this on YouTube in case somebody wanna to watch me because I'm crazy. I love you. Oh, yum yum. Barbecue this, barbecue that. Go to the beach tomorrow or Monday, whatever. I don't drink, but I act drunk. Like when I go cruising. I feel so drunk when I go cruising. Okay, this is it. There's my computer. It's running like crazy. Camera action. And this is Vince Lombardi. My husband got this. It's a gift from his job. And all this black here in this room belong to my husband because he's a good salesman, He sells Chevrolet car. Before, now he sells Ford. Ford. Yeah. I am so irritated. Okay, guys. Love you. Everybody, if I don't mention your name, I'm sorry. All my Arab friends, as long as I said Arab friend, it's okay. And Turkeys, okay? I love you all. Samuel, Maherba, Texacor, Seni Seberi Yurum, and Kapi, and Utmur, whatever. Oh my God, you guys had me. Okay, anybody that I met from my on Facebook, from Turkey, I love you guys. Even we're old and Young, I love you all. Bye. Hasta la vista, baby. Enjoy Facebook and every website. If I don't go visit you guys another website, because I'm lazy. I use my cell phone. Oh, sometimes T-Mobile get tired of me using internet. I use too much. Okie dokie, this is me. Goodbye. I love you. That's me and me and me.